Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to delete Microsoft EdgeUpdate.exe 32-bit from Windows 10 or 11. But before watching this video tutorial, please subscribe the channel. So let's start our video tutorial. Firstly, you need to go to Services by entering Services in the search box. Now you need to stop the services. One is Microsoft EdgeUpdate service. You need to stop these two services. You need to disable these so that this process Microsoft EdgeUpdate.exe 32-bit not run in background. You can see in Task Manager. So double click on it and disable it. Or you right click on it and choose project and then disable it. Apply and OK. And also disable this service. Click this one and apply and OK. So now this process, after this, go to C drive, background files, certificate, and into Microsoft. Now delete this folder. Press Shift, press Delete key on your keyboard and delete this folder. This folder is installed when you install EdgeWebView. This process will remove from and not show in Task Manager after doing these steps. Thanks for watching the video.